Sunshine and extreme heat seems to have dominated the summer story so far, but our week ahead looks relatively straightforward. Quite quiet, actually. There will be spells of rain around, some drier, sunnier moments, and temperatures about where they should be for this time of year. Heaviest of the rain always looks likely to be in the far northwest. If we take a look at rainfall accumulations, it suggests that parts of Scotland could see 50 to 60 millimetres, whilst eastern England, in particular East Anglia, have hardly any noticeable rain throughout much of the week. High pressure sits into the southwest, and then meandering across the high will be several frontal systems introducing some daily changes. But on the whole, the high pressure stays with us on Monday, a quiet start to the working week. Sunny spells, just a few isolated showers coming through, and a pleasant feel out there. Temperatures are likely to peak between 17 and 19 degrees in Scotland. Highest values are 24 Celsius somewhere in the southeast if we get some sunshine. Then out of Monday into Tuesday shows the first signs of this frontal system just skating its way down through the west. It will push its way gradually southwards and bring some heavier bursts across Wales, southwest England, along the south coast. Still a level of uncertainty where that frontal system is going to be sitting. A lot of cloud across England and Wales, murky conditions here, best of any sunshine into eastern Scotland. We could see 20 degrees in Scotland. Highest values further south of 21 Celsius. Moving out of Tuesday into Wednesday, another brief ridge of high pressure builds, giving us some sunnier moments. Clouding over during the afternoon after a lovely start, but not a bad day in prospect. And temperatures with that sunshine could see highs of 25 degrees, that's 77 Fahrenheit. So again, another fairly pleasant day. Then from Wednesday into Thursday, we see the signs of another front pushing across the top of that high pressure, and this one could linger for a time. It could bring a spell of heavier rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England for a time. Certainly more cloud, a drier slice of weather perhaps through eastern England and southeast England. And again, if we get the sunshine, we'll have the warmth with 25 degrees, a little bit fresher in Scotland under the cloud and the rain. That low pressure will slowly drift its way off into the North Sea, and it will perhaps bring more wetter weather on Friday across parts of eastern Scotland and eastern England. Now, a lot of uncertainty to the position of this front, so you'll need to keep abreast of the forecast by Friday. Somewhat drier and brighter conditions out to the west, and a little bit fresher, and that's because of the change of wind direction. So let's take a little look further ahead. High pressure is desperately trying to sit out towards the southwest and influence the story, but low pressures continue to topple across the high, so there is still a lot of uncertainty with the computer models. For a time, we'll see the wind direction, albeit light, coming from a northwest, introducing slightly fresher conditions before a westerly returns and temperatures back up to where they should be. So this is the story then. A little bit more showery rain into the far northwest, somewhat drier and warmer the further south you are. Don't forget, if you want more information, well, you can always check out more online, but also you can go to download the BBC Weather app and find out just exactly what's happening in your area. Until then, we will of course keep you updated on any developments.